But with the Christmas market last year and the atmosphere and just everybody, it's just like a family here, and it's just so addictive. So, and I had an amazing year last year, so definitely this year is going to be bigger and better, and I can't wait that I can't believe it's my second year already. My business has grew. I've actually been approached by other markets, like big events and stuff, to be a part of theirs. So it's now the other way around. Rather than me chasing markets, people from other markets are chasing me. So yeah, it's definitely grew the business a lot more.
So my family's been on this Belfast Christmas Market since, well, I was a baby. They've been doing it for over 20 years now. There was one of the first original traders. Not many left of us now, but I have been here since I was a baby. So I grew up doing what my mum and dad done all their life. And then when I basically left school and I started doing grilled cheese here on the Belfast Christmas Market, but I've definitely been here a lot longer than some other people, even if I was just a baby. Most of us know each other. So it is like one big family. It is, one big market family, we say, because we see some of these more than we see our own family in the summer. So yeah, it's definitely a good vibe all around. I'm nervous, I'm stressed. We've got a big stock delivery coming in a minute. We've got to go get all our finishing touches ready, but we're nearly there, we're nearly ready, and we're ready for the madness.
My wife used to cook all of this food for me at home, and it was that good. I said to her, we need to get some sort of street food style business with the food that she used to cook. And we've been running for about 18 months now, and it's just going from strength to strength. First year here, yeah. My wife's originally from Newton Ard, so I'm just hoping over here the Irish lap it up and they love our food.